Welcome back to Epic Auto Revolution. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe N, a high-performance version of Hyundai's beloved family SUV that blends everyday practicality with serious driving excitement. From the outside, the Santa Fe N makes an instant statement. It takes the bold boxy redesign of the latest Santa Fe and cranks up the aggression. The front fascia wears a sportier mesh grille with N-specific badging, sharper LED headlights, and larger air intakes for cooling. Along the sides, wider fenders and bigger 21-inch alloy wheels hint at the performance lurking beneath. Around the back, a sporty rear spoiler, quad exhaust outlets, and an N-exclusive diffuser give it a race-bred presence. But this isn't just about looks. The Santa Fe N 2026 is engineered for thrills. Under the hood, it's expected to house a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine, tuned by Hyundai's N division to deliver upwards of 350 horsepower. Paired with an advanced dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive, this SUV is built to launch hard, carve corners, and handle with surprising agility for its size. Inside, the cabin strikes a balance between comfort and sport. You get bolstered-in sport seats wrapped in premium suede and leather, a flat-bottom steering wheel with drive mode selectors, and signature in blue accents throughout. Dual panoramic displays keep you connected, while performance data screens allow you to track lap times, G-forces, and more, perfect for those who want to bring an SUV to the track. Despite its performance edge, the Santa Fe N doesn't forget its roots. Families still benefit from 3-row seating, a spacious cargo hold, and Hyundai's suite of advanced safety features. This means you get practicality for daily life, and pure adrenaline for the weekends. The question is, would you choose the Santa Fe N over rivals like the Kia EV9 GT line or even performance crossovers from BMW and Audi? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more futuristic car reveals here on Epic Auto